Clean ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles are very popular flooring materials. They are relatively cheaper than marbles, granites, and flooring materials. They come in a variety of choices and so are available for a specific theme or design for a floor or a wall. Ceramic tiles can either be glazed or unglazed. One of the reasons why ceramic tiles are very popular is their undemanding cleaning need. That is, they are easy to clean. Most homeowners do not even need instruction on how to do it. A damp mop and a basin of water usually do the trick. But if you want to do it properly, here is what you need to know to clean ceramic tiles. Inspect the tiles. The first rule is to know what to do, where to do it, and how to do it. The entire area where cleaning is intended should be inspected first. Look for dirty parts. Gaze at every corner. Cleaning must be focused first on the dirty areas, then to the rest. Get cleaning materials ready. After inspecting the area where you need to clean, prepare all cleaning materials in one place. Buy cleaning solutions from a supply store. Ask for cleaning solutions that are non-abrasive if the ceramic tiles are glazed. If the tiles are unglazed, abrasive solutions may be used with caution. Abrasive cleaning solutions may destroy the luster of glazed tiles. Take time to prepare everything. The cleaning process should not take too long. Include 2 mops, a water basin, an electric fan, and a vacuum cleaner in your cleaning supplies. Prepare the area. If it is a floor that is going to be cleaned, set aside furniture and anything else in the way. These could hinder the work. If it is a wall, remove decor and hanged objects first. Make sure the area is ready before cleaning. Once the area is ready, start cleaning. First, use the vacuum cleaner to remove dust, sand, and other small objects. Second, clean the dirty parts. The dirty parts that you have identified in number 1 should be cleaned first. This way, cleaning is focused where needed. Using the mop, apply the cleaning solutions to these areas. Sometimes, detergent, soap and water are enough. Periodically wash the mop with water to remove the stuck dirt. Repeat the process until you are satisfied with the result. Scrape dried up dirt. Pay special attention to the grout after cleaning the tiles. Being part of the whole area, the spaces between the tiles need to be cleaned as well. You need a brush for cleaning the grout. If the grout is really dirty, Use cleaning solution. After cleaning the tiles and the grout, mop the whole area using a permanent stroke all throughout. This time, also cover the areas other than those identified in number 1. The mop may simply be damp with water since the dirty areas have already been cleaned. Dry up. After cleaning the whole area, use the electric fan or the vacuum cleaner. Tiles are stylish. Their elegance should be properly maintained. That is how you can clean ceramic tiles.